So Spry can actually be used to help manage and plan your project. Now, if you're already using a tool like Pivotal Tracker, Rally, Basecamp, things like that, that's fine. But if you're not already using a tool like that, Spry can actually help you out. So notice we come down to our configuration button. And under our projects tab here, you can see the actual configuration for our Spry project. Iterations, features, stories, tasks, and tickets. Click on edit here and you can see some of the features of a particular ticket. Now notice this is actually just a name. You can actually call it whatever you want. You can provide a prefix, whatever you want, colorize it. This color actually helps distinguish it within your activity stream. And then there's a couple of other things you can do with it. You can assign it to project members, you can assign it to comments and such. Let's look at like a task. Now notice you can add comments to a task, and a task can be assigned to project members. However, something in Spry like a feature, it cannot be assigned to project members. You can't have comments. A feature is actually more of a container for tasks and stories and such. Now these are all easily configurable. You can either come in and say iterate or change the name of your iterations to milestones or something like that, or you can actually come in and create a brand new item. Now again, these are just, you name them whatever you want. For this case, we could call this, say, a milestone. We could say, give it, the prefix is going to start with MI. Now these prefixes are actually used for you to be able to easily reference milestones. So you could say MI1, MI20 as you go. Now if you want a milestone to include stories and tasks, you just click this. Milestones, you probably wouldn't want to be able to create comments for them, or maybe not use attachments, and maybe not teams, because milestones are typically broken down into stories and tasks, and each of those individual items can be associated with a team. Again, these are not things that we mandate. These are just some options for you, and you can actually go through and configure your project however you wish. Now once you've configured your project, you'll be able to move through this content within your lane. So as you can see, our lane options here are features, iterations, stories, tasks, and tickets. That's actually the same configuration that we set up for our projects. And that's it.